Hello guys, welcome to Finstock Biztalk. This is a channel we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. We also talk about online courses. And today we are going to be covering on CCTV installation. Many people have been asking about CCTV installation. And one of the questions I have been getting is how long does the CCTV installation cost? So you find that a certificate in CCTV installation is offered at Finstock University College, and it's a 4 months online program examined by Finstock University College, and a certificate is already issued upon completion of the course. And so if you want to do a certificate course, just a 4 months course, and you can do it at Finstock University College. And then someone is asking how long is a CCTV course. We have said that a certificate course is a 4 months course, and you can do it online at Finstock University College. And then someone is asking, where can I learn CCTV installation in Kenya? You can do it at Finstock University College. It is an online college that offers short courses, diplomas, certificate, degrees at a very affordable rate, and all these are done online at the comfort of your home, school, or at the workplace. And then someone is asking, what qualifications do you need to be a CCTV installer? So if you want to do a CCTV installation course at Finstock University College, these are the grade requirements that you need to have. If you want to do a diploma, you need to have a C-. If you want to do a certificate, you need to have a D-. But if you want to do a short course, you don't require any grade. The question I have been getting is CCTV installation marketable in Kenya? Yes, it is. You find that these professional CCTV technicians in Kenya have risen greatly, and individuals and organizations, they have come to realize the importance of having CCTVs in their workplace and how invaluable it can be to their operations, not only for securing their premises, but also in a lot more aspects. So you find that when it comes to marketability, CCTV is very, very marketable. So another question I have been getting is, how do I become a professional CCTV operator? So if you want to become a professional CCTV operator, you need to have certification, and we have said that if you want to get these certifications, you can get them at Finstock University College, which is an online college that offers these courses online at a very affordable rate. And then another question I have been getting is CCTV installation a skill? So you find as success as a CCTV installer, you find that usually requires a mix of hard skills, things like knowledge of telecommunication and cabling, and soft skills like problem solving and attention to detail. So you find that yes, it is a skill. And then what is a CCTV course? What is a CCTV course? You find that high-tech training closed circuit television, that is CCTV installation course, is designed to give participants or students a practical knowledge of the operation and installation of CCTV systems at a foundation level. Is CCTV a good business? So if you want to start, this is someone who wants to start a CCTV business. So you find that starting a CCTV business can be profitable and give you the satisfaction that you're making the country safer from criminals. So creating a business plan is very, very important if you want to start a CCTV business, to ensure that your company gets the best that possible. And then someone is also asking, a CCTV operator a good career? Yes, it is. We find that the world desperately needs CCTV operators, and unfortunately, due to the bad representation that they get, they are not the most sought after position. However, if you are a CCTV operator, you can really make a difference when keeping people safe. So CCTV is a good career. If you are considering taking a CCTV course, you are choosing a good career. And if you are interested in doing a CCTV installation course, you can do it at Finstock University College. Visit their website at www.finstockuniversity.com, or call them at 0733-313-722, or send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com. And make sure at the end of this video you like, you comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. Until next time, goodbye.